so we have here a E250 2012, and the steering shaft is gone on it, so I'm going to replace it with this one here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. They're actually not that difficult. So down here, your steering shaft is, well, I already took it out, so anyways, it's going to be right here, okay? And you're going to take out that bolt completely out, because if you don't take it out, you'll never get it out, because this bolt here sits on that shaft where there's a notch. In this case, it's the gearbox. Inside, okay, let's go inside. Turn on this light. As you can see, it's dropped now, and it also has a little C notch on the shaft where this bolt sits onto. If you don't take it completely out, it'll never come out. I'm over here banging on it. I was about to cut it. Then my girl came out here and she was like, what's going on with it? And I said, I can't get the damn shaft in. And I grabbed that one, the new one. Now I'm looking at it and I noticed the notch. I'll show you the notch, okay? So luckily I grabbed it and I saw that notch right there. And it just came on to me like a light bulb. The light bulb just sparked so intense in my brain. And I was like, golly, that's it. I did take out the foot pedal, the little bracket that goes with it. You know, onto it. You can put the bracket, then you put the foot pedal, blah, blah, blah. Took that out, make it easier. I'm going to clean all that up, take her out, put the other one in. Also, another tip. Make sure your steering wheel is like that, tied down, straight. See that? That's a no-no. It's supposed to be like this. Stuff. See? Hard to do. Match her up. Make sure you have the correct part. And reinstall. So, clean her up. I also took out the boot. Cleaned out the boot. I'm going to grease her up in here. Once get that shaft in. And then get going. Right? Okay. Let me go ahead and do this and I'll show you how I made out. Alright, the job is done. Let me show you real quick. Okay, as you can see, it's all buttoned up. I put an arrow right on it so you can see. See that? So you got the new shaft. There it is. Go in right there. And then down here, she comes out of there, right there. Goes up and right into that U-joint. I believe I'm going to change that U-joint as well. Not right now, but I will in the future. Very simple job. And again, it's not supposed to do this here. Yep. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Until the next project, we go.